Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete voicemail on Android. Now, if your voicemail inbox is getting full or just want to clear out old messages, I'll show you how to quickly delete voicemails on any Android phone. Whether you use the inbuilt or the built-in voicemail app or your carrier service, this guy's covered it all. So unlock your Android phone and tap on the phone app, the one you use to make calls. Now look for the voicemail icon or tap. Usually it's at the bottom right or the dialer screen. All right. All right, so if you do not find the voicemail icon, just go ahead and head over to recent or anywhere. Just click on the three dots menu, head over to settings. And once you head over to settings, it's going to take you here. Just go ahead and click on voicemail. Now, or alternatively, you can press and hold number one key on the dial pad to call your voicemail inbox. Now, before deleting, you might want to listen to your messages. Just go ahead and tap the voicemail message you want to hear, or follow the prompt after calling your voicemail to listen. After selecting or listening to a voicemail, you're going to find them here. Okay, say service provider, my carrier, voicemail number not set, notifications, and all of this. So we don't even have a voicemail here. There's no voicemail there. Or just go ahead and click on your pad, all right, your keypad, and long press and hold one key, number one. Add voicemail number. You can add the number, or just if you have your voicemail, just tap and hold the one key on your dial pad to call your voicemail inbox. So accessing your voicemail, which is where I'm going to take you here. So you should find your voicemail here. Now, if you have a voicemail, what you need to do is to look for the delete option that is right next to your voicemail. So tap the delete icon, usually a trash can. If you're calling your voicemail service, press the designated number key, often 7 or hash, to delete the current message. Now listen carefully to the voice prompts for the correct key. Now most voicemail systems will ask you to confirm deleting the message. So press the key to confirm or tap OK on the screen. If your voicemail app supports it, you can just select multiple messages. Long press on one voicemail message to activate selection mode. Tap on all the messages to select them. Tap the delete icon to remove all selected voicemails at once. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.